For this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to create a digital badge for a new aerial cinematography course I am teaching this fall. First, create a new project 800 by 800 pixels RGB color. Use the Rectangle tool to draw out a square, and use the Add Anchor Point tool in the Pen tool menu to add points to the top and bottom center of the rectangle. Use the Direct Selection tool and drag the two bottom corner points in towards the center and the bottom center point down. Select the Anchor Point tool and drag outwards to create Bezier handles. Use the Direct Selection tool and drag the center point upwards to create a curved arc. Save your work. Go to Window, Appearance to open that panel. With the path selected, add a stroke width of 54, change its color to medium gray, then access Stroke Options and choose Outside of Path. Click the Add a New Stroke icon, increase its width to 30, change its color to dark gray, and align it to the inside of the path. Click the Add a New Fill, and fill the path with a silver-blue gradient. Reposition the fill layer below the two stroke layers. To add gradients and effects onto the different paths, select the badge and go to Object, Expand Appearance. This releases the paths to their component parts. Go to Object, Ungroup. Drag a steel gradient from the Swatches panel onto the outer compound path and a steel cylinder gradient to the inner compound path to give the badge edge a metallic look. Switch the fill to a silver metallic gradient in the Swatches panel and use the Pen tool to create shapes to use as wings. Use the Curvature tool to create curved shapes for a drone vector. Use the Type tool to create a text file, type Arial. Use Eurosteel Bold 180-point color white in the Character panel. Set tracking to 135. Use the Selection tool to select the Arial text layer and go to Effect, Warp, Arc. Choose Horizontal with a bend of 20%. Click OK. Use the Type tool to create a second text file and type Cinematography. In the Character panel, use Eurosteel Bold 100-point color white and set the tracking to 72. Use the Selection tool to reposition the text, wings, and drone layers. Save your work.